You want to play fly?
Yeah.
You want to fly? You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow.
Hi, I did say I'd do another video for you today on Wednesday, so this is going to be a short one. And what I wanted to focus today on is how we teach WH questions, the common ones, who, what, where. They come up very often. There are others like how and why, but for Casey we've been focused on, you know, who and what and where. And this is very important because they're very common questions that come up a lot, and it's very important that children are able to listen and discriminate those different kinds of questions to give the right kinds of answers. So I'm going to show you some of the things we've been doing with Casey to help him learn that over the last few weeks. Now, we start by helping students to understand more about the concept of, you know, what who means, which is really more referencing kind of people, you know, what is happening, meaning the action of what they're actually doing, and where, meaning more about the location in which they're at. And often kids may not understand WH questions because they don't really understand those concepts yet. So as you know, Casey's a very avid reader. So we've been using reading as part of our program to help him with this skill. So we started with teaching him matching. We have 3 words written out, as you can see here: who, what's happening, and where. And he's able to read those words. I'm not sure he's able to comprehend what they mean, maybe, but he's able to read them. And we have pictures of people, we have pictures of places, and we have pictures of actions. And what we want him to do is to match the people with the who, the where with the places, and the what's happenings with the actions. So let's take a video of how we do that.
Good. What about this one?
Where?
Where? Well done. And
What's
this is
happening?
what's happening. Very good. Hang on, hang on. Keep your hands to yourself, please. Good job. So, and I have a couple pictures here. I want you to put it at the right place, okay? Look, this one. Where does it go?
Go. In a who. Who.
Good, put it over here. It's a who. Brian is a who. Well done. And what about this one?
Car.
Playground.
Playground.
Where does it go?
In the where.
Goes to where? Good job. Playground is a where, same as the TV room, okay? Another one. What about this one? Ivy.
Ivy.
Where does it go?
In the who.
Right, Ivy is a who. Good job.
Okay, so once he's able to do that, that shows he has some awareness that those are kind of grouped together in terms of what they mean and represent. And so we now move on to having him be able to understand when we use those words what they are. So in this video you're going to see Ray is going to ask him to go get a who, or to go get a what's happening, or to go get a where, and he would have to go find a place or a person or a action. Okay, so this is an interesting activity. Let's take a look at that.
Now, can you help me to get a where? Excellent! Where is it?
Where is it? Swimming pool.
Swimming pool! That's a where. Good. Can you get me a who? Good boy. Who is it?
Brian.
Brian! Go, you're right. And now, get me a what's happening? You are right. What's happening? This one is playing the house. Good boy.
All right, so at this point he sort of seems to understand the associations between those words of who and what that represents, and, you know, the where. So we now want to start asking him those kinds of questions and having him discriminate, you know, the right answers to those questions. So you'll see in this video, Ray uses his iPad, and he's got lots and lots of different photos, lots and lots of different ones, so it doesn't become rote, of different people that Casey knows around the office doing different things in different locations. And he uses a text prompt. You know, this is what that looks like. And in that text prompt, it may say who or what's happening or where, okay? And Ray uses that as a bridge before he just asks the question straight away. It gives him a little bit of a clue and a little bit of help to understand what the question is. So let's watch that video.
Ready? Where? Where is the
I don't know, playground.
playground? Good. Playground is a where. And
Who? What's happening?
what's happening?
What's happening? And scooter.
Playing scooter. Amazing. You ready? Another one. Who?
Who is it? Who's it? I don't know.
Good job. I don't know. That is Emma.
Emma.
Right. That is Emma. So who?
Who is that? Emma.
Good job.
Now, you'll also see in that video what Ray does is sometimes when he's asked the question with the text prompt, he then takes the prompt away and asks the same question to make sure that he would be able to answer the question independently. So this is certainly an intermediary phase. And perhaps if he was to get it wrong in the next phase, we might go back to that prompt as a way for him to know the kind of question that we're asking him. So I'll show you the final phase. And I think we got done with this maybe last week. And he's doing pretty well now in answering these kinds of questions without any help at all. He just is able to listen, and Wing is able to deliver the instructions in a fairly natural way, and he's able to tune in quite well and listen to those.
What's happening? My peanut table.
Who is that?
Ivy.
Very smart. Right. What's happening right here?
I'm sliding.
Sliding, right. Who is that?
Emma.
Emma. And what is this place?
Playground.
Playground. Very nice. Oh, where is it?
Pantry.
Pantry. Very smart. Who's that?
Ivy.
Very good. All right. Who's that?
Calvin.
Calvin. You're right. What is he doing?
Play computer.
Playing a computer.
Okay, so a really short video today. I hope that helps with you understanding how we teach those kind of WH discrimination questions, which can be very tricky, and is a common program that we see children working on. We have another video for you next week about how we're going to be getting Casey ready for school, because we're going to start having him in a group very soon every day, and we're trying to work on some skills to really get him ready for that opportunity, and I'm going to be talking more about that on Friday. So tune in and see the kind of work we do to help him get a bit more ready for his school experiences coming up. Okay, thank you.